got my handsome actor here with me today. Colour, rambut, colour pun dah tukar dah.
Colour different now. Different
so handsome he looks. Everything turned out to be very well. But then the position he was sleeping more on this side. So yeah, so because of that, the beard became a bit little bit patchy on this area. But that is quite common because beard is something that after you do, the way you sleep, you know, the position, and sometimes some of the graphs does not go very well. So it's okay, it's alright, nothing wrong for the touch up to look better. Life is about, if it's not so good, you come back to do better. It is really very nice, but he wants it better. So there he is today. So another top up. So congratulations to you, the first round, and coming back and trusting Clinic Dr Inder to do your procedure. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.